I'm now doing GCSE paper from 2021, and in order to do this properly, I'm going to have to write what these inequalities are down here. So we've got 2y plus 4 is less than x, x is smaller than 3, and y is smaller than x, 6 minus 3x. Right, now we can now go up and actually put these on. So I'll just start with the easy one. X is less than 3, so that would be, let's do this. So X is going to be this, it's going to be the horizontal. So it's going to be that one. And it's only going to be stuff to the right of here is less than 3, so it's that way. Now, I'll probably use another colour. So for this one, 2y plus 4 is less than x. I'm going to go 2y is less than x minus 4, and then I'm going to divide it through by 2, so that I get it in the form of y equals mx, or half x minus 2. So that means that looks like this. So it's going to go 3 minus 2, and then it's going to go along 2 for every time it goes up 1. So it's going to look something like this. Again, let's just fill that in. No, I haven't actually bothered at all with any of the other stuff yet. I haven't bothered with the whatever they're called. The last thing. I haven't bothered with the inequalities. And then the last one is, I'm just going to reorganize that to y, and I'm going to put this in another color. So I'll put this in yellow. So y is less than minus 3x plus 6. So that's fine. So now that means that it goes through 6, which is there, and it's going downwards. So every time it goes down 3, it goes along 1. So this one looks like this. And then we'll just fill that one in. There we go. Come along. So just make sure it goes through all of those. And if you do all of these things, then the next section that you need to do, which is, oh, good Lord, is this. Now, I'm assuming, let's just take a point and see whether or not it fulfills. I know it's got to be this side, and I know y is less than, so it's going to be, I think it's going to be in this region here. So let's take this point here and see if it fulfills everything. So it would be, yeah, so 0 is definitely less than 3, so because that's 0. Now this point is 0 minus 4, so if we said minus 4 is less than 6, because that's a 0, that is also fulfilling that one. And if I try this one here, let's try minus 4, half of minus 4 is minus 2. Half of minus, oh no, half of 0 minus 4. So that also fulfills that. So actually it's this bit here that we were going to use. There we go. Right, that's one of those things that's not very easy to do in one of these. Right, here's a trapezium ABCD. The area of the trapezium is 66 centimeters squared. And the length of AB is, 2 parts, and the length of CD is 3 parts. Find the length of AB. So what we're going to do first is we're going to try and find the height, which I'm going to assume, and this is going to sound a bit stupid, I almost think this is going to be 6. Oh no, it's not. So what we've got there is a little triangle. Ooh, it's not great, is it? 6x 30. And we're going to use SOHCAHTOA to do this, and this is a non-calculator paper, so I'm not going to put it into a calculator. So that is opposite, and that is h, so we're going to use sine. So I happen to know that sine of 30 equals half, which is convenient, because if it was one of the others, that would be quite tricky. And so we know that so we know half equals opposite over that. So we know it's x over 6. So we know that x equals 3. So that's 3. So that means the area of the trapezium is going to be AB plus CD divided by 2 times 3 equals 66. And so let's divide by 3. So AB plus CD equals 22. And let's times it by 2. So that means AB plus CD equals, what's that? 44. And then, so now we know that AB plus CD, we've got 44 divided by 5, which equals 8.8. So AB must equal 2 times 8.8, and CD must equal 3 times 8.8, and that would be 16 plus 1.6, which is 17.6, and this would be 24 plus 2.4, which is 26.4. So that's 17.6.